Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to be talking about the number 10 and how to make the number 10 using the numbers 1 through 9. Today we are going to be talking about addition and what numbers that we can add together so that we can solve this equation. What plus what equals 10? So first we're going to start off by picking a random number from 1 through 9. And I chose the number 9. So we're going to put that right there. And then we're going to solve 9 plus what equals 10. So I'm going to show you a couple different ways to actually solve this equation. So since the number 9 isn't staying on there, I'm going to write it right here. And then we are solving for this number right here. And one way that we can solve this is by drawing 9 dots. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have to count to see how many we need to go to make 10. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So now we're going to find our number 1 and we're going to put it right here. So one way to solve that is counting out with an object or a drawing how many, what number you have here. And then from there, you count on in a different pile how many more you need to make 10. So we're going to use this technique one more time with another equation. And I think this time we're going to solve it for what plus 3 equals 10. So again, my numbers aren't sticking, so I'm going to draw it right here. So what plus 3 equals the number 10? So like we did last time, I'm going to draw 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to count up from 3 on this side to see how many more dots we need in order to make the number 10. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so we know that we have 3 right here. Let's count to see how many dots that we have on this side, since we know that both equals 10 because we just counted up to 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. So that must mean that 7 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 10. Let's see if we're right. We have 7, 8, 9, 10. We are. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now we're going to solve another equation like this, or number sequence, but we are going to use a different technique for it. So let's see, what do we have? Let's do 6 plus what equals 10. So we have 6, and then we have the question mark. So this time we're going to start by drawing 10 dots all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that we have 10 dots total. So that is this part of the equation. And we need to figure out what 6 plus what equals 10. So we have to find this missing number. So how we're going to do this is we're going to count off 6 dots we're going to section them off into their own group since that's how many we already have. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to circle these because that's what we have. Now what's left outside of this circle is the number that we're solving for. So we have 6. Now let's count off to see how many more we need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, it actually looks like I missed a dot in our little circle here. That is my mistake. So let's try this again. So we have 6. Let's make sure we have 6 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have our 6 dots. Now we're going to count to see how many we need to make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know that 6 plus this 4 right here equals our 10. So we're going to try this way of solving it one more time, and then I'm going to let you guys do a couple worksheets, some games, and I even added a coloring activity for you guys to do too. So let's try this one more time with one different equation. This time we're going to do 2 plus what equals 10. So we're going to draw our 10 dots like we did the last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we had 2 plus what equals 10. So first we're going to section off our 2 little dots since we have the number 2. 2. Let's make sure I'm right this time. 1, 2. Yep. And now we're going to see how many dots are left outside of this circle because that will give us this number. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 more dots left outside of the circle. So that must mean that 2 plus 8 equals 10. Let's see. We're going to count all of them to make sure we have 10. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're right. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. So that's it for the examples. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email me. I will be available all weekend, so you can contact me with any questions. And I hope that this helps and you guys took lots and lots of notes, and enjoy your weekend and the rest of the activities that I have in store for you.